she hurt her back when she was 3 years old, and so now she's got a little nerve damage.
That's like our puppy, our Shih Tzu. She got hit by a car, so she kind of her back kind of goes down a little. Yeah. Oh, you're such a good dog.
Good dog.
She's taking her mommy for a walk today.
Yeah.
Keep it up, keep it up.
Super beautiful. I can't believe it. She kind of looks like Tuffy.
She looks like my pug, her body.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yes, a similar body.
Yeah. And
The
my
vet
pug
calls
is...
her a cross between a German Shepherd and a hamster.
So this is the mountain we're gonna hike. A famous Brighton mountain. We're gonna usually hit up that trail right there. It's kind of bright. See if I can darken it up a little. There's that lady and they're walking their dog. You know, you gotta say hi to the neighbors. Sharon and them. Miss Gaby. Alright, see you up there.
It was hella funny.
Really?
Yeah. No, sit down to put her legs down. And she was too scared to step down. Like this on her.
Kind of bright, but the sun is out today. The valley, man, it's way bright. That just makes it even more brighter.
Max, stay on the rock.
Yep.
You should just swim right there first, and then come over here, drink water, and then go back up.
Alright, so this is the spring water right there. As you can see,
You're going to carry a big spider.
water's coming out of the ground. You can see it. It actually comes out of the ground. When we were kids, we'd always come up here and drink out of this water.
Dad, you can't come up here.
Because that water is more clean than the one that comes out of the tap water in your sink. Believe it or not. Straight mountain water. Hey, Puns?
Yep. You can go up there. There's a cave that people come up to, but it's hard for day
I
show.
touched the water. Mommy, I touched the
I don't
water.
want to. It's too dangerous. I don't know how to get up there.
I'm talking about. You know your trail mix is going to be long.
No, Sharon's like, yeah, babe, there's a table over there. And he's like, let's go there. I don't even know how to get there. I don't know how to get up there.
I'm trying to save the...
Let's take taxi.
Let's go.
Still a long way to go.
What the sick
And we just barely came up from this way.
You're going to get poisonous to all the people and die.
Well, you can't really see, but it went all the way down. And this is downhill. I'm not like on a level ground. And there's the mountain up there. As you can see. Alright. So we got a long way to go. Alright, continue.
My shoes are good.
Where's Davey in there?
Up ahead.
Oh. Some people down there.
They're coming up?
Yep. They look like hippies.
Hippies?
Max, you want to rest or what? No?
Whew. The stream's actually coming down.
You're walking right in it. You're walking right in it, Max.
You right? No. The river came on the side. We walked, those rocks weren't there. Those rocks, it was a path right along there. Yeah, the river used to never come straight down the path. It came down on the left side. The rocks probably fell off of this mountain. That's why the rocks are blocking the path. But it's worth it because more up there's a swing, so we're gonna walk more up.
I think this is all we're gonna take.
We're gonna cross this little stream.
No, let's just go this way.
Alright, here we go. Here goes nothing. If the camera falls in the water, there goes the camera. Or I could go on the left. Here you go.
Here.
Careful! Careful! Hey, you need help? You got it, Long. I know, mine too. Good job.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Your cases, Mom? Yeah. Okay.
Remember, we took a picture in this little inlay. You know where me and Sharon took our picture?
Oh, yeah.
And so,
People usually come here and rock climb to the top. We're only like not even halfway there. The swing is up there. The swing is up a little bit.
Everyone take a picture there?
No. So if you stay overnight camping there, even though it says no campfires, just you know, It says no barbecuing, so bring a barbecue grill. So we've been hiking for probably about what, 30 minutes, 35 minutes. The swing is on the other side.
Think it will go up tomorrow?
If it's for Sunday, no. Because Thursday, yeah, if it's Thursday, it's always like this. So say, for example, you're booking, you know how it was yesterday for Thursday, it was like 500. Then the next day, the Friday's price going to be that price. It's always going to be a day ahead, like a day
No, it's all good. Thanks.
So if we check tomorrow,
Daisha!
if we check tomorrow, Thursday's going to be, Daisha, don't feel buckle, get over here before you get swiped down the hill. Come on here.
So what Friday?
Sophia buckle her.
What Friday?
But this is a good hike for kids, huh? We should bring like the girls especially. Well, Bubba and
All of
Gina,
our kids.
all of our kids.
Bubba too.
Sure, especially Bubba.
One adult's gotta have one kid.
She would love to.
Well, Gina definitely would love to be with you.
Nice.
I'm good.
That makes it good for you, but, you know. It's actually a good source of energy. Let me have some. Bananas.
I'll let you that work.
So what? Should we head back down since Mom needs to go? Yeah.
Dang, we're almost to the swing.
Where's
We
the
just head
thing?
to the swing and then turn around?
All right, we're heading back down. We got a emergency phone call that we need to head back home, so we didn't really go up to the top. And so here it is, the way back down. But this is already at the bottom. And I also realized that I didn't fully charge my battery. So what happened?
I know.
No, that view that we were just at. It looks like a wedding freaking.
Oh yeah. This kind of looks like something from a movie of like Lord of the Rings. Hey, maybe that's an idea for a movie. But so yeah, this is it. Different trails that goes down there, but we're sticking on the main trail.
Me and Sharon sprinted up this. And that's why I was running up there and pop! Max, dude, you gotta step on the rocks. The rocks, not the dirt. Like where all the rocks, not where the other rocks on the side.
Alright, I'm gonna run up this hill too with recording it, so if I slip and drop this camera, you will see it all. Here we go. Alright, I slipped and fell, but I shall not give up. Woo! There's the valley. Oh man, it's too bright. All right, now that I kind of caught my breath, heading back. No? Oh yeah, when I get done.
Good job, push it. Ah, push it.
There's the whole city. Reindeer tracks, as you can see, different than dog tracks, or you know, you can kind of see it all along. So yeah, there's like no battery left, so if I get cut, that means it's the end. How was the hike?
It was good.
Yeah?
Nice workout.
If we didn't get bothered, of course, it would be better, but it was good. My freaking shoes got dirty. I'm just kidding. Fucking shoes.
Where's the key, Prince?
What?
I was like, oh shoot. Really? You're like, I didn't grab it.
Oh shit. What's in it?
Babe, where's the gas station?
I don't know.
Go to the one by our house on the holiday.
Okay.